Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of people have been asking me when the new versions of Edge are going to happen because, of course, Google Chrome is at version 97, and there's a lot of security fixes, and of course that means that there will be security fixes for Microsoft Edge at the same time. And since they're based on Chromium, they follow the version numbers usually. So I will share with you guys a link that you can actually keep in your bookmarks if you want. This is the official schedule that Microsoft releases for when new versions of Edge are going to happen. So if you look at this page at the top, it tells you the version number, it tells you the release status, it tells you when a beta release will happen. If you're using Edge and you're not an insider, you want to look at the stable channel release week, and this will tell you when things are released. So for example, 97, that was released already for insiders, but the week of January 6th is when it should actually happen for the stable channel. So that means this week we'll have an Edge update probably. January 6th, maybe tomorrow or Friday, but in the next few days we expect to have a new version, and so on. You'll see the different versions. The speed at which the new versions for stable channel are released is roughly 4 weeks. So that's what they're trying to keep. So as you see here, version 98 will be in the week of February the 3rd, 99 week of March 3rd, 100 last week of March, maybe early April, and so on. You'll see the different versions. Right now they go up to version 104 for the week of August the 4th, 2022. So the link to this page will be in the description below. You'll be able to check out the release schedule for Microsoft Edge if that is of interest. And of course, in between those, there are some security fixes, sometimes bug fixes. So when Google Chrome gets a security fix in the same version number, well, that means that Edge will probably follow with a security fix a little later, within a week usually. So there's always a little delay, and that delays for every other browser that is based on Chromium, by the way. So, some people are saying, well, isn't that kind of insecure? Technically, yeah, it is, because hackers know of the flaws once Chromium or Chrome updates. But at the same time, the delay is not very long, so it minimizes the risk. But every browser, if you're using Opera or you're using Brave or whatever, those are all based on Chromium. The only browser not based on Chromium is pretty much Firefox, and which has its own release cycle and its own security fixes. So usually all the other browsers that are based on the Chromium engine all get their fixes within the week after the release of the Google Chrome updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and the link is in the description below the video.